Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing Harlem Heat from Area 51, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Captain X.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who can blame them? You are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
일상이 되었지 내가 내딛는 걸음에 관심을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어 언제나 함께했던
A guy who treats every match as if it's the biggest one of his career. He definitely plans to steal the show tonight.
피워주고 싶어 당신의 행복이 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 환한 웃음 지을 수 있게 어제 햇살 같은 언덕웃음을
And here he comes.
And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 230 pounds, Black Man.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe.
긴장감이 도네 여긴 metaverse It's the coolest ever brand new world We are Octaverse Bring new meta everybody make the pulse 진실된 모습을 갖춘 뒤에 선 긴장감이 도네 여긴 metaverse It's the coolest ever brand new world We are Octaverse
A very high pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
나쁘지 전 시간도 안 되는 애들의 헤이터 난 내추럴로 붙고 기믹들에게는 핸섬 여기서 난 천재로 공학자 대한민국 최고의 박사의 제자 돌아가는 회전 모자와 두 번째 인생 올라가는 기대감과 실감하는 미생 여기 봐도 저기 봐도 쌓여만 가는 시선들과 부담감을 끌어안고 위에 끼고 합방하지 오늘은 또 어떤 일이 형과 함께 일어날지 기대되지 야 컨텐츠로서 보자 이 세계에 남고자 머리 써야지 이젠 돌려 회전 모자 연구실 대신 이 세계에서 시간 보내 필요 없는 표정 꺼내 너의 위에 꺼내
Bring new meta everybody
And here we have a superstar with a big chip on his shoulder.
He has certainly felt overlooked recently.
Well, he has a chance to change that perception in this matchup.
But he'll be facing someone who has been looking for a challenging fight for quite some time now. Hopefully, he'll get it tonight.
Right in the elbow, nailed it.
Oh, that's a blow to the body.
One step ahead there.
Right senton.
Look at the handstand elbow drop, and now the punishment continues. Piercing elbow drop. He's in his grasp. Neckbreaker attempt. Oh, look at the power.
Great resistance and a neckbreaker counter. Getting out of harm's way.
Big boot.
Oh, this is just disrespectful.
And an elbow drop to follow.
Oh, man, he's got him in the crosshairs.
Ah, jeez. Senton.
He's quick to get out of the way there.
Wow, belly to belly. Looking to put him away. Kick out before a two.
Way too soon for him to be thinking about a pin.
And he's leaving the ring for the moment. Gets the reversal. What a counter.
Ooh. Oh, man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
Vicious use of the knee. And he throws the opposition back into the ring. Ascending the ropes.
Stumbling to his feet. He might just be rising to meet his taking flight.
Diving brain chop.
Clothesline.
Just a barrage of offense coming his way with seemingly no answer to it.
It seems like he has no way to escape here. He's looking to get back in this.
This might be the moment he was waiting for. His comeback could start here.
And uncanny makes the cover. And he easily stops the ref's count.
Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan.
Nasty stop of the arm. Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting. Claw in the face. Is this necessary?
Ripping at the eyes. It goes without saying that there is a certain disdain for your opponent when you pull off something like that.
From the top.
Double axe handle.
And his onslaught continues.
Yeah, and this might cause him to lose his composure.
Clothesline!
Right in the back of the neck.
His body has to be racked with pain.
It speaks to the intensity of this match. It has been a very rough affair so far. Delivering nasty stomps.
And if the first stomp doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will.
Oh!
There it is. He could end it here.
Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take?
It's not over yet. Plenty left to go in this one.
Belly.
And now he's looking to lock in this submission. Cinching up their opponent.
Wait, look at this. And a great counter to the submission.
What a spine buster. Oh, get ready. He's waiting for the perfect time. Uh-oh.
Turns that in his favor.
Measuring him now. Lining it up.
Ooh, turned it into a jawbreaker.
Lifted and completely helpless here.
Put down face first.
I got right to the gut.
He's looking to make a moment here.
Stopped them in their tracks with a kick to the gut.
Clothesline.
He's in a bad place. This is where it could all end for him. Up across the shoulders. Round and round and round we go. UFO.
He's climbing the turnbuckles to the top. Looking for something big here.
Oh, it's gonna happen.
Oh, man, he landed rough there.
Looking to go up high.
Oh, it's gonna happen.
Oh, look at that splash. Two count. Oh, kick out at two.
Can you imagine how much escaping that pin must have cost him?
I can. These are the moments where you really find out how tough you are.
That was plan A, and it didn't work. He must be thinking about plan B at this point. Critical time in this matchup.
This is a time to dig deep.
Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver.
Clothesline. What impact. Oh, man.
Having trouble making it to a vertical base, and it looks like it's only... Uh-oh.
We're gonna see it.
Power. Sit out. Power bomb.
And that'll keep him down for a long time.
That's it. The blood and sweat put out of this match. Well worth it. Here is your winner. You cannot say they didn't give it their all and then some to achieve this victory.
I don't know if I'd say the battle scars were worth it, Cole, but I will say the one who did it to them isn't the one celebrating right now.
메타버스 세상 그 속에 살아가 현생보단 이 세계 인생을 막았다 나쁘지 전 시간도 안 되는 애들의 헤이터 난 내추럴로 붙고 기믹들에게는 했죠 여기서 난 천재 로봇 공학자 대한민국 최고의 박사의 주제자 돌아가는 회전 모자와 두 번째 인생 올라가는 기대감과 시급하는 미생 여기 봐도 저기 봐도 쌓여만 가는 시선들과 부담감을 끌어안고 위에 끼고 합방하지 오늘은 또